Mining stocks have been soaring these last couple of weeks, but today they're crashing down. And I want to just give you some examples of two that I recently just bought into and one that I sold completely out of. And I'm going to explain why that was. If you just look, some companies like HUT, okay? It ran over 100% in a matter of 10 days. Ran actually 130%. But since yesterday, it's been crashing down, hitting highs of 1850 to lows of 1283. Okay, so in the last 2 days, HUT, just for example, has crashed from 1850 all the way down to about 29%. Okay, we sold, I'll show you the charts in a minute, we sold above 1750 all the way to 1825, and now I've been alerting the Patreon and Discord, we've been buying back in. My last purchase is actually at 1325, so I'll be going over the charts and telling you exactly why I'm not concerned and why I think this is just getting started for mining stocks. Okay, I'll be going over one more stock as well called clsk is the ticker symbol. I actually just bought into that also at 10.97, so right under 11 bucks. That had a massive pullback of about 16% today. All I ask is that you drop a like, you leave a comment if you want me to cover more mining stocks. If you're into mining stocks, I'll definitely make more content on this. I'll try to do every day or every other day, but definitely a couple times a week if you want me to. Don't forget to grab your coffee, here's mine. So let's go over exactly what happened. This is a daily time frame for HUT. We were buying at $12 to $13 before this run up right here. We sold at this area right here, this line. I alerted the Discord and a lot of us were just getting out of it because we were all up over 50% pretty much because we were buying under $13. That doesn't matter anymore though. You know, it was a nice trade, but then it just crashes all the way down, right? So we got out up here, but I've been buying in all the way, this whole crash basically today, right? So I made money, I sold, I took all my profits and I started buying in as it started dropping down. Overall, collected more shares because I'm bullish on HUT in the long run. This is just a normal correction in my opinion. It's a massive correction, but I'm hoping it's just a quick drop and now we can continue the run much higher. Now I will show you some Fibonacci's that you want to look for, and these are the reasons why I think we're bouncing. So you can see on this one, we actually crashed all the way down to the 786 level, and there's a long wick there. I'm not sure if you could see it, but we bounced from there. So we hit lows of about 1285, something like that. And then we just bounced up this green line right here. So if we can hold this and we can start moving higher, be very bullish if we can hold this area right here. Now, if we can't hold the 786 level, then I would bounce over to this Fibonacci right here. What I did was I took the all-time low, not the most recent all-time low, I brought it up to the high, and you can see this has just been crashing through, but right now it's trading at the 50 on a fib. The next area I would look for is the 618 level, which would be about 12 bucks. Okay, so that would be my next buy zone, about $12 if it does come lower. And then my worst case scenario would be the 786 level over here, which would be about $10.21 before then continuing the run higher for HUT. Some more things you want to note is on a daily time frame, the RSI is at 55. Stochastics obviously coming down because the massive selling pressure from today, but we could easily turn around momentum. We could start moving back up. RSI isn't too concerning, 54. We still have a lot of room to run. If you look at the weekly, which I'm more interested in, thinking more long-term, the RSI on the weekly time frame is at 56. Plenty of room. I really wouldn't think this run is over until the RSI on the weekly starts to get closer to the 70, 75, even 80 range. Okay, so again, I think this is just a slight pullback. I'm feeling really good with HUT right now. If you guys want to learn more about this, and I kind of drew a little chart right here a while ago, you could join my Patreon down below. It's $9 a month. We go over everything. We have a great community, over 170 people in there, and we're all helping each other. So if you want to be a part of that, check out the links out down below. We'll see you in there. I hope you had a great Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year's. We'll make more content. clsk, I actually got into also right under 11 bucks. I'm actually gonna look more into the company. I've studied HUT more than clsk, but it was on great discount. The market cap is nice. HUT's market cap is about $1 billion. clsk is about $3 billion, I think. So safe hold for me right now. There's a lot of mining stocks where the market cap is a lot lower. where I just feel like that's more risky. So I do like these two companies right now. I'll cover CLSK on another video. If you want me to, just let me know down below. Of course, none of this is financial advice to tell you to buy, sell any stocks out there. It's just my own opinion with looking at the charts and looking at the news. Always got to do what's best for you. Hope you guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.